आज हम इस वीडियो में तिलावत करने वाले हैं शूरा अल-इंशिक़ाक़। सूरा नंबर 84 अल-इंशिक़ाक़। बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Allah's name to commence with the most gracious, the most merciful. إذا السماء انشقت شقت وإذنت لربها وحقت وإذا الأرض مدت وألقت ما فيها وتخلت وَإِذْ لِرَبِّهَا وَحُقَّتْ. Range of the heavens, range of the heavens, when the heavens split open and listen to the command of its Lord, and only this, that is listening to the commandment, that is listening to the command befits it, and range of the earth is stretched out, and it casts out whatever is in it and becomes empty, and it listens to the command of its Lord, and only this benefit यानी कि befits it. या अय्युहल इंसानु इन्नका हादिउ इला रब्बिका ख़दअन मफ़ूलकती मफ़ू मफ़ू फ़मूलकीही. O mankind, indeed वास्तव you have to certainly run towards your Lord, then you have to meet him. You have to meet him. فَأَمَّا مَنْ أُوتِيَ كِتَابَهُ بِيَمِينِهِ فَسَوْفَ يُحَاسَبُ حِسَابًا يَسِيرًا وَيَنْقَلِبُ إِلَى أَهْلِهِ مَسْرُورًا. So whosoever जो कोई भी is given his record of deeds hand, in his right hand, soon an easy account will be taken from him, and he will return to him family happily. He will return to his family happily. وَأَمَّا أُوتِيَ كِتَابَهُ وَرَاءَ ظَهْرِهِ فَسَوْفَ يَدْعُو شَبُورًا وَيَصْلَى سَعِيرًا. And whoever is given his record of deeds from behind his back, soon he will ask for death. Soon he will ask for death, and he will go, yani he will go into the blazing fire. إنه كان في أهله مشرورا إنه ظن أن لن يهورا ولا إن ربه كان به بشيرا. Indeed वास्तव he was happy in his home in this world. He assumed that he would never return to his Lord. Yes, why not? क्यों नहीं? Indeed वास्तव his Lord is seeing him, उनको देख रहा है. फला उक़सिमु बिश्शफ़ाक़ि वल्लैलि वमा वशाक़ वल्क़मरि इज़ा इस्तसाक़. So I swear an oath by the twilight of the evening, and by the night, and all of those things that gather in it, and by the moon when it is full. أبون طباقا عن طباق فما لهم لا يؤمنون. You will definitely ascend stage by stage. So what is the matter with them? यानी कि that they do not accept faith. وَإِذَا قُرِئَ عَلَيْهِمْ قُرْآنٌ لَا يَسْجُدُونَ. And when the Quran is recited to them, they do not prostrate. وَلِلَّذِينَ كَفَرُوا يُكَذِّبُونَ وَاللَّهُ أَعْلَمُ بِمَا يُوعُدُونَ فَبَشِّرْهُم بِعَذَابٍ أَلِيمٍ إِلَّا الَّذِينَ آمَنُوا وَعَمِلُوا الصَّالِحَاتِ لَهُمْ أَجْرٌ غَيْرُ مَمْنُونٍ. Rather, the disbelievers keep lying. Rather, the disbelievers the disbelievers keep belying the beloved Prophet Muhammad, and Allah knows well what they keep in their hearts. Therefore, give them the news of painful punishment. Except those who believed and did good deeds, अच्छे काम किए, for them is that reward which will never end. यानी for them is that reward which will never end.